Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyib, and uh, today topic is hypertext transfer protocols (HTTP). Let's study hypertext transfer protocol. HTTP is the foundation of the web, enabling communication between clients, web browser, and servers. Here are some key aspects. First is request response cycle science clients and response, e.g. get, post, put, delete, auto server respond with state nodes 200 okay for 400 for not found, header and body content. Second is http methods, get, retrieve resources, post, create new resources, put, update existing resources, delete resources. Third is http state codes, one access informational response, in two access success response, three access redirection response, four access client error response, five access server error response. Four is http header key value pair, providing metadata, content type authorization cookies. Five is http body, contains the actual data being transferred, html, json, and images. Six is http version, http and 1.0 original version, http 1.1 improved version with persistent connection and coaching, http 1, http and 2 binary protocols with multiplexing and header compression, http by http and 3 based on QUIC with improved performance and security. Here are some additional HTTP related topics. First is HTTP hypertext transfer protocols, secure extension of HTTP using encryption, TLS and SSL for secure communication. Indicate by http is the url and the logging icon in the browser. Second is http coaching machine mechanism for temporary storing frequently accessed resources, reduce latency and improves performances. Third is http cookies, small pieces of data stored on the client side for tracking and authentication, can be used for session management, personalization and tracking. Four is http authentication mechanism for authenticating clients and server. Basic DAGs, auth, bearers tokens and auth are common methods. Five is http compromisation and technique used for reducing the size of http responsing. Six is http to feature plexing multiple requests over a single connection header compression, reducing overhead for of repeated headers. Server push, server can proactively send resource to clients. Seven http and 3 future built on QUIC, quick UDP internet connection, improve performance, security and reliability. Enable multiplexing and zero RTT, zero round trip time connection. 8 is http APIs, application programming interface, using http as the underlying protocols. RESTful APIs, graph QOL and gRPC are popular API style. Here are some additional HTTP related topics. First is HTTP request method, header retrieve metadata without the response body option, describe support HTTP methods, connect establishing a tunnel to the server, patch partially updates a resource. Second is HTTP status code categories: 1 access information response, 2 accesses successful response, 3 access redirection response, 4 access client error response, 5 access server error response. Third is HTTP header fields, general headers, cache control connection.